Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize cost of goods sold using QuickBooks, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize cost of goods sold in QuickBooks, begin by launching the QuickBooks application on your device. Sign in to your company file using your credentials. Navigate to the Reports menu found on the left sidebar. Click on Company and Financial to access financial reports. Select the Profit and Loss report from the drop-down list. Set the date range for the report to cover the relevant period for the cost of goods sold you want to analyze. Click Run Report to generate the report. Review the COGS section of the report to evaluate the costs associated with the goods sold. If you identify discrepancies, take note of the transactions that need authorization. Next, go to the Lists menu on the left sidebar. Select Chart of Accounts to view all accounts. Locate the cost of goods sold account in the chart. Right-click the account and select Edit Account. In the account settings, ensure that the account type is set to cost of goods sold. Once confirmed, save any changes made to the account. Return to the Transactions menu on the left sidebar. Click on Expenses to review relevant entries. Identify the transactions linked to the cost of goods sold. For each transaction, make sure to verify the accuracy of the details entered. Edit any entries that require corrections to align with your records. Once all transactions are accurate, authorize them by confirming any changes made. Return to the Reports section to re-evaluate your profit and loss report. Ensure that the COGS amounts reflect the accurate figures post-authorization. If needed, run additional reports to cross-reference your data. Regularly review and authorize costs to maintain accurate financial records. Conclude by documenting any changes in your accounting files for future reference. With these steps, you can effectively authorize the cost of goods sold using QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.